to make some squash soup. And I'm gonna show you how to cut this pumpkin. First of all, this is a white pumpkin. I've never cooked a white pumpkin, but we're gonna see how it turns out. And it's not very big, but I am going to, usually you would cut the bottom off, but this one's pretty good. And I'm gonna go down, straight down. Maybe not. Get the biggest knife you have. And maybe the strongest person in your house. Maybe I'm not cutting this pumpkin at all. This is not gonna work. That's hilarious. You find serious. Yeah. You're not going to see me do that again. So here's this one. Now I'm going to turn it. All right. Been messing with these pumpkins for the last week, and I'm about had it with the pumpkins. They are so hard, you can't even get through them. I don't even know how anybody would do this. I got a white pumpkin last week to make pumpkin soup out of. I couldn't even get it open. It was awful. So then I went back and got this little one. Can't get through it. I'm about had it with pumpkins. We're gonna do it. One hole. I'm gonna put 3 or 4 holes in this. There we go. Now I think we can cook a pumpkin. This might take an hour, and I don't care. Finally got one. There we go. Get in there. And my oven is set on 400. Wow. Let's see if he'll come for. Look at him steaming. Look at that. Slide right in. There we go. Oh, looky there. Who knew? Once it cools, we can pull it all apart because it is very tender. Look at that. Whoops, it's hot. There we go. Look at that. They just so nice and soft. Pull it right out of there. Mmm. Yep, that is the way I will be cooking pumpkins from now on.